Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have to u du. Because I want to cancel the square root, that's why I need to select about u square in here. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, and we got about u equals to number 0 when s equals to number 4. So we put number 4 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 2. So number 0 we keep the same. Number 4 we change for number 2. S we change for u square. The s we change for this one. The square root of u square, we have u. So I will put number 2 cone here. U will go in here. So we need to add number 1. Later that, we need to minus number 1. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, that is about u. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of 1 plus u. And then I will put the bounds from 0 to number 2. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 2 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we calculate this one. You got number 0. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.